How's it going, skiers and riders? This is John with your Sunday, December 16th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. Last night, the groomers hit the trails to give the mountain some fresh corduroy, making our 21 open trails perfect for you to come ski or ride. With 5 lifts running, you'll be able to get to the top of the mountain to hit whichever trail you want, whether it is Conifer Connection on the summit, the Terrain Park on Challenger, or maybe just Ollie's area to learn some new skills. With temps in the mid-30s and low winds out of the northeast, we are looking at some great weather for the day. December 21st is the shortest day of the year, and we are celebrating with plenty of offers all throughout the mountain. Come ski or ride in your shorts and enter for a chance to win 2 lift tickets. Mountainside Ski and Ride will have plenty of deals for those of you who are looking for that perfect Christmas gift. There are plenty of other events happening, so be sure to check out Wachusett.com for more details. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you on the slopes.